The sector of a circle is the region that's bounded by two radii and an intersected arc. So let's write that in the blank. The sector of a circle is a region bounded by two radii and an intersected arc. To find the area of this sector, we're going to first of all think about this as just a fractional part of the circle. So let's pretend, let's pretend this is a 60-degree angle. What part of the 360-degree circle is the 60-degree angle? Well, that would be 60 out of 360, or 1/6 of the circle. Now let's pretend that this angle, instead of 60 degrees, let's pretend that angle is 80 degrees. What fractional part of the 360 is the 80 degrees? Well, that would be 80 out of the 360. And if we reduce both the top and the bottom by 40, that would leave us with the fractional part of 2/9. Basically, when you find the area of any sector, you are going to take the fractional part of the circle and multiply that fraction times the area of the whole circle, which is pi radius squared. To find the fractional part, you take this, whatever this angle is, and you put it over 360. So little a in this formula is equal to the arc measure, or the measure of the central angle. Let's practice using this. On the next page. In this problem, we are told that the sector has a 30-degree arc and a 5-centimeter radius. So let's set up the formula. We know the formula is A equals little a over 360 times pi radius squared. We know a couple of these values. We know A. A is the 30-degree arc. Put your 30 above the 360. And we know that R, this value right there, is 5. So we'll put a 5 right here. And we'll square that. The area will equal, well, let's reduce this fraction. I know 30 goes into 30 once and 30 goes into 360 12. So I could write this as 1/12 times, and I can use my commutative property to rewrite this and put the coefficient in front of pi. So let's write this as 5 squared, or 25, times pi. Now, as mathematicians, we really like to combine our numbers and our fractions. So we're going to take a 12th of 25. We're going to write this as 25/12 times pi. Don't forget your label of centimeters squared. Now you can go back and try problem number 1, 2, and 3 on the homework from AV3 Lesson 3. To solve problems 1, 2, or 3 from Lesson 3 in the AV3 unit, we need to look at the sector formula.